Hey guys, it's Frances, and it's been forever and a day since I uploaded a video, so forgive me if I'm a tiny bit rusty. This week's collaboration was actually my choice. It was my favorite flower, and these are what the other ladies have done, and this last one coming up actually is mine right here, and these are Gerbera daisies, which happen to be some of my favorite flowers. My base polish is Keeping It Realism, which is a finger paints one-step gel polish, so it does have to be cured with an LED or UV light. And then I'm going to be using this Haronata stamping plate with all these beautiful flowers on it. I'm going to be using that one daisy image, and I'm going to be reviewing this stamper and scraper that were sent to me from Beauty Big Bang. And it comes with the scraper, and I love that it's got the order number right on it. And the stamper comes in a plastic bag. It's got Beauty Big Bang written on the side. It is squishy and clear and rectangular, but it is not sticky at all. So if you're looking for a sticky one, this is not it. But it is nice and squishy though, so it won't give you a whole lot of resistance when you're pressing. And I'm going to be using 002, which is a black stamping polish, also from Beauty Big Bang. And I'm going to be testing out the image. I love the scraper pickup, and it's a beautiful pickup on the stamper right away. So you see it picked up with a lot of detail. So it's okay that it's not sticky. It still picks up quite beautifully. And if I were in camera, you would see that it stamps very nicely as well. So let's talk quickly about the size of this Haronata image. My nails are not particularly wide, but they're also not particularly long. So if you're looking to cover your entire nail and you have very wide nails or very long nails, this will probably not cut it for you. I am now applying some liquid latex, not to make a mess, which is funny because in a later clip, you'll see I stamped here, this first one, and then I didn't like the way the image turned out, so I was able to remove the stamping and start again, but I forgot to put the liquid latex back on it. So I'm going to end up making a mess anyhow. But you live and learn. But I would highly recommend, especially if you're using black stamping polish, to use a liquid latex because it can be quite a mess to clean up after, especially if you have any dryness on your cuticles or finger. It will get caught in those cracks, and it might be there for a little while. So I'm just going to go ahead and stamp that one image on all my nails, and I'm going to twist the image and change the direction of the image just so that I get a different look on every nail. And then I'm going to quickly peel off the liquid latex. And I don't think that I told you, but this liquid latex is from Cuticula, and it is in the scent Dragon Juice. And there is what it looks like before. And now I'm going to fill in the images with permanent marker. So Sharpies would work here. Any kind of permanent marker will do, and you'll need some isopropyl alcohol. And also a brush. I had a really cute little palette that I used for this, but I couldn't find it, so I'm using these little plastic shot glasses from the dollar store. And then I'm going to dip my brush into some of that alcohol, and I will pick up some of the marker. So all I did really was just color that plastic with the marker, and the alcohol will dissolve permanent marker. So depending on how much alcohol you use will depend on the opacity of the color that you get. So if you use a little bit of alcohol, you'll get a darker, richer color. If you use a lot of alcohol, you'll get a very thin color, giving you more like a stained glass kind of effect. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in the middle with brown. And I'm going to do it the same way. As you can see, I'm just picking up that color with the paintbrush. I did not show you, but in between colors, what I did was dipped that paintbrush into just some isopropyl alcohol and dotted it off on a paper towel, and that will get rid of that excess color for you. And like I said, you can make this as sheer or opaque as you want to, depending on how much alcohol you're using when you're putting it on. So that one's got an orange flower with a brown middle. And if you look at Gerbera daisy, they come in a bunch of different colors with different combinations of flower and center. As you can see, the middle finger, which I didn't get on camera, I did in 2 different shades of like a purple color. And I'm going with the traditional yellow and brown on my ring finger. And I'm just showing this is real time. So I did not speed any of this up. This is how I'm filling it in. As you can see, I'm not really taking a whole lot of care to stay within the lines, because the marker is not going to cover the stamping at all. And it's not smearing the stamping either. So that's also a good thing. What I would tell you though is be careful, especially with the darker colors around your cuticles, because the permanent marker will stain your cuticles if you get it on your cuticles. And then on my pinky, I went with a reddish color, like an orangish red, reddish orange, however you want to look at it, with a yellow middle. So in a moment, I will be coming in with a fast dry top coat, which is a regular fast dry top coat. It's not gel. And I'm going to be using Posh. I want you to take a look and see if you see what I see. As I'm applying this fast dry top coat, the color that I put on the flowers is actually lightening. You'll notice more on this middle finger. The color does get lighter as I hit it with a fast dry top coat. I don't know that I've noticed that before. I've noticed the color change sometimes with reds and oranges, but this I noticed across all the colors. I wasn't upset by it because I actually liked it better than it was before, but this is my final look. I actually really do like how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But thank you for watching. Thank you for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys again next time.